How to design product label on Canva. Designing a professional label on Canva allows for easy customization with professional templates and tools, ensuring your product stands out with attractive and informative labeling. Now here is how we are going to get this done. So first things first, I want you to go ahead and just try here label, and you should see something like this. You have a circle label and you have this one. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the regular one. So here are some of the templates that you can use already. So you can go ahead and try to use any of these as of the moment. Of course, some of these are going to be pro, so you're going to have to subscribe. But say for example, you're just going to use something for free, then you can definitely customize anything from here. But say for example, if you want to start everything from the scratch, just go ahead and click this one right here, and then we are going to start. So how are we going to do this one? I'm just going to turn this one into a color of what I want. Say for example, I'm going to go ahead and look for olive green. All right, just a little bit darker, this one right here for example, and then I'm going to go ahead and proceed. So I'm going to add some elements and I'm going to add some shapes in here. We're just going to search this one for example. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the middle, make it a little bit bigger. All right, there you go. And then I'm going to add more, say for example these guys here. I'm just going to go ahead and put this at the side. All right, make sure that it is around the same size. Now I'm going to copy it, and I'm also going to go ahead and put it on the other side. All right, there you go. Now we are going to begin. Now you can go ahead and write whatever you want in here. So say for example, I'm just going to go ahead and add some text. So the first one says organic, something like that. And then I'm going to choose and basically change the font in here. All right, something like that. I'm going to put it here at the top. Make sure it is still at the center, and then maybe we could change the color here. Not very ideal. Let's add some effects to it. All right, there you go. Now this time we're going to add another text here. I'm going to add still a heading, but this time we're going to try to put something. So say for example, if I want to put honey, now I'm going to change this one to something like cursive style is what I want right now. I'm going to go ahead and just type here cursive, or you can go ahead and look for it here. Anyway, so we're just going to go ahead and find the right font here. All right, maybe this is going to be okay. So I'm going to resize this one and maybe change the font a little bit. I mean, change the color a little bit. Now it's not very bold, so we're going to copy it, and then we're going to somehow make it look like it is a big. Now this time you have the option to put something here. All right, I'm going to add another text here. Say for example, something like this. We're just going to go ahead and put it down here below and maybe make this a little bit smaller. All right, and then we're going to turn it back to white. Okay, there you go. And then you can go ahead and add something if you want to. Just go ahead and click this one here, and yeah, just go ahead and add whatever you want to put in here. Say for example, you're going to go ahead and put your website in here. So I'm going to try honey.com.ph. Just go ahead and put it here. We're going to make this smaller. And you can also put your address in here. If you have a barcode, then that would be okay. For example, I'm just going to copy this one down here below. I'm going to put the address, say for example, and then you can put whatever down here below. Say for example, if you want to add an expiration date, and yeah, say for example you want to put some image in here. Let's go ahead and find something. Say for example not in the brand but in the elements. All right, something like that. So I'm going to put this one here. All right, there you go. And then let's go ahead and see more graphics in here. I'm going to go ahead and just put this design here on the other side, and maybe this one down here below. All right, I think that is looking good. Now we're going to go ahead and try to download this one, and we're going to proceed with trying to use this for later. Again, this is going to be the label. All right, so that's organic, and there you go, everybody. So yep, congratulations. That is how you're going to design your own product label here on Canva. Upgrading to Canva Pro has been a game changer for people who are serious about getting top quality designs, even if they are beginner whose knowledge of designing is limited. It offers a suite of advanced design tools and exclusive templates that can elevate the quality of your projects. Should you be interested, click that link on the description box and the comment section below and enjoy amazing perks just for you. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.